And this was the detail that of a segment that could be done and how the community could be engaged in the design. And this was the university master plan and details that were worked out. And finally, how you could curate the vision through time. And if we could do that with one river system, what could we do? And just a few glimpses of what it is and how it could be. That's it. Yeah, thank you.
My dear students, I think our purpose is served because the youngsters who are going to implement whatever is told, and they are here, so we are very happy. So what we want from all this development without distraction. Life, we all know it is a tragedy of human history, decreasing happiness in midst of increasing comfort. And that is the philosophical definition of our position. So, we have damage due to our activity. 15 known 24 ecosystem, out of that 15 we have damaged, and mostly marine and surface water. So, the main reason of ecological crisis is we are not living in harmony with the nature. So, if ecosystem, all living and non-living things, any size, area, they are connected with nutrient flow and sun as a source of energy. Now, what we have done, what crisis in the history of the world, there is no crisis like the ecological crisis ever been reported, and this is the challenging to us. And realization of a new humanity, one person can make all the difference. We have told one person can make the difference. So for the first time in the recorded human history, we have the fate of the whole planet in our hand. Right? Russell Carson, very good writer, she wrote in 1937 a good book, Our Sea. All the students are requested to come home for prize distribution. Please come. So, he has indicated that marine ecology are disturbing. Then in 62, see our humankind. 62, she has published the Silent Spring. In that she told, yes, pesticides, chemicals, everything coming, we are destroying our rivers and streams. Her book was banned. US and all developing countries. See this. As a result, we are every 20 minutes we are losing one species. 1500 chemicals every year. New chemical is synthesized in the world. So more than 4 every day. Oh. As a result, biodiversity we are facing. And 30,000 plant species, 15,000 5,200 animal species are on the verge of extinction or about to extinct. See, this is because this biodiversity is all variety of life on earth reflected in variety of genes, species and ecosystem. Because today also main thing is biodiversity. Why? We disturb the ecosystem, species are disappearing, and that's why this much species have disappeared. So, and India we have problem. More population, less resources. Only 4% fresh water of available water in world. 2.5 land area is available. Right? So, we have to manage within this. So, in India we have the main problem, effluent and runoff. Industrial effluent, surface runoffs, then groundwater withdrawal, because we need 70% still for irrigation purpose is used from groundwater. religious and social function. Any function, સત્યનારાયણની કથા or small function, birthday. અરે જોજે આ પૂજા બહુ સારા પાણીમાં નાખજે હા ગમે તે વિશ્વામિત્રનું ના ગટર જ છે. Religious function, Abel Gulab, Sursagar, say 7-8 temples around, Abel Gulab, flower. ને પછી કહીએ સુરસાગરને હવે આપણે કરોડો રૂપિયા સારું કરીએ. So then particular dot. These are the four main problems of our all surface water pollution. Another very shocking thing, only 25% of the class 1 city treating their sewage. You can class 1 city. Towns, live towns, small city, big Calcutta, Delhi, Hyderabad, Madras, only 25%. River contaminated with sewage, all the rivers. They are putting so many plants, 5,000 crores and these. We want to clean up within, they have marked 14 rivers, nothing has been done. And all temple, MOEF, Ministry of Environment Forest, they have taken all over the India, all our water sample shows the presence of pathogen heavy metals, that is your mainly lead, arsenic, cadmium, chromium there, but mainly more lead. And 15 lakhs children died due to waterborne disease. The 60% urban deaths due to cholera, dysentery, gastroenteritis, jaundice. You see? And 5 crores more are affected with the arsenic and chromium and fluoride. So, we have the industry, 4.5 small. In Gujarat, we have a lot of industrial estate. And the 70% pollution is due to this 4.5 million industrial pollution. And that production is 40% of the total production, but pollution 70%. So, the Gujarat, we know, the capital of small-scale chemical industry, and we have the serious problem of pollution. So around Vadodara, we have small, medium, large-scale industry and continuously disposing treated or untreated. And some are going to the sea via our ECP channel, effluent channel, 56 kilometer long, treated or untreated. We have destroyed the ecology at the Bay of Khambhat at the disposal point Kavi. So, and we have seen the presentation and condition of Vishwamitri. But I tell you, we can do something. So I will give one good example. Pun Doi River, Pau Doi River, that is in Samrampur district UP. They make this river Bachao Samiti under the chairmanship of Alok Kumar, district magistrate. They have cleaned the river with 5,800 truck load, garbage, mud, sleet, sludge, and they have small weir. They have stored the rainwater. Within 6 months, they have back the original river. And this Samiti, under the chairmanship of district collector, we look repolish because no, we clean one time, we have done so many times. In so clean exercise, so many garbage we have removed. Next day it will be like that. So to keep same thing, they have the watch committee. And the district magistrate has the power to take the punitive action. That is why still, although we can, 132 kilometer long our Vishwamitri from Pavagadh to Cambridge. See, we can do it. If we have this Samiti and we maintain, it is easy. Not only that, if we treat our sewage, 4 treatment plants are there. We can treat our sewage 70%. We can treat our sewage to a river disposal standard, mainly 30 BOD. We can have Vaho Vishwamitri, no problem. All put it, that groundwater will be charged. The plants will grow, birds will come, everything will be there. No, Maria's product, the Massachusetts state, she was alone. The Nausa river were getting daily new color because of lot of paper mill, particularly Pittsburgh paper mill. She herself alone See that all the industry get the loan from Rockefeller Foundation. And she has seen in Within Wind all the river come back to the origin. Only one knows her. She was got in 1983 Best Environment Award also. See, so we can do it. So, see, and we know sewage is a main source. Farmers and around any urban area, not only Baroda, and all vegetables are accumulating. All these chemicals in the synthetic detergent or heavy metal, chromium, nickel, lead, all is accumulating. And Bombay also we have seen on the track, both the side vegetables are growing. So you can just imagine the quality of the same. How? We know problem and lot of solution also has been shown. So, what we shall do now? So, the student should be a passive observer or should become the active participation in doing the environment science. We have to maintain the natural biological cycle in Vishwamitra or any surface water. Some waste is necessary. Add some waste. Microorganism will grow. Due to microorganism metabolism, algae will grow. Minerals, carbon dioxide. Algae will give oxygen. Algae microorganism food for the protozoa, worms, larvae, crustaceans. These are food for fish. Fish again. Human being eat, produce the waste. This is natural biological cycle. Critical factor is T2,4-DO. Maintain that, everything will be all right. No problem. Once you clean it and maintain, some sewage goes, no problem. Some extra, put the jets. It looks like a fountain. Oh, we can do it if we wish. So we are all looks like in gutter, but some of us looking at the star. Probably that will help us. And students and youngsters, teamwork is the fuel that allow common people to produce all common results. Let us make it easy and start acting it. And I know in the world also, creative mind have always been known to survive in any bad condition. So I hope we are all with the creative mind. And don't tell God how big is your problem, share our problem, how big is your God. So, person who is engaged in our Padma Puran is engaged because we are all religious and we are afraid. So, if person is engaged in killing creatures, polluting wells, tanks, ponds, rivers and destroying garden, certainly will go to hell. Padma Puran. Should students to passive? No. You take active partners in the future global negotiation about the ecological balance. So, we cannot wait till only when last tree has died, last river and water, surface water poison and last fish is catch. And then we shall realize too late. The money will be there, but money we cannot eat. And that famous sentence, think globally, act locally, but do domestically. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Bhatt, sir. I'll ask opinion because it is a day that everybody in the political circle asks, what is your opinion? जनता का opinion लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन स्किप कर दे बॉस लोग, टाइम नहीं है, भूख लगती है सबको, क्या करें बोलो, आप बोलो वैसा करते हैं, स्किप कर दे. थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू. वाह, सी दिस इज द स्पिरिट. सबको भूख लगी है बराबर. नाउ फॉर द प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देयर वर 4 categories in which people has participated. First was essay writing. Then the second category was oral presentation. Third category was on the model presentation. And fourth category was on the chart presentation. And the judges who has finalized these awards are Professor N.M. Bhatt, Professor P.N. Sutaria, and Mr. P.G. Vinod. These are the 3 judges who has gone through in a very detailed analysis of the presentation done by all of them. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the name of the person who is going to get a prize. Your job is to upload, come fast to the stage so that you can be given lunch as early as possible. So don't waste the time. Okay. Now, first prize in essay writing. They are from Parul Institute of Engineering Technology Diploma Studies. He is Mr. Pratik Patel and team. The topic is e-waste, a challenge for tomorrow. And may I invite Chairman Mr. V.S. Patel to do the honors, please. Chairman of IWA, Mr. V.S. Patel. Is he present, sir? Okay. Can I invite Professor Bhavnani to please do the honors? And the second prize goes to Vadodara Institute of Engineering, Kotambi, Low Cost Practices for Waste Management, second semester Civil Engineering Department, Mr. Milind Kumar Patel. May I invite Professor Aresta, please? Oral presentation, there are 3 winners. First prize goes to Akshay and Rami of Parul Institute. May I invite architect Shailesh Nayak from Institute of Architects to kindly do the honors. From Reni. May I invite Uman by please to the honors. The third prize goes to Samik Mubara of KGIT Savli Diploma. Sorry, there is some spelling mistake. So kindly bear with me. He is Mr. Samik Shah from MS University. Nemi. MS University. Okay. Next, the first prize for the model goes to PIET Diploma Biofilter Ala Printing. May I invite Shashibhai to kindly do the honors. And the second prize goes to PIET Diploma CO2 Eco-Friendly Thermal Power Station. Rajesh Shah and team. Can I request Mr. Vinod to please kindly do the honor? Please, sir. Third prize goes to KGIT Savli degree, Solar Domestic Water and Water Clarifier, Praveen Shah and team. Can I request Bhaskar please to do the honor? There was only one participant and that is why he is a winner. He is from Remy MS University, Reviews of Grey Water and Cost Analysis, Kushal Patel and team. May I request our most senior most person, Narendra B. Bhagat, to kindly do the honor. Sorry, there is a mistake. He is Mr. Kaushal Rawal, not Patel. Thank you very much for all the participants and the judges who have done the honor. And there is one specific person, Debasis from DT Water. They have agreed to give model without giving their loan because this particular committee always feels that there is no commercial name to be marketed. But as they had tried to do the model and due to accident they were not able to present, so we would like to recognize them, Mr. Debasis from DT Water. Architect Ketan Shah, kindly do the honors, please. This particular function would have never been possible without inspiration of our only professor P.D. Vyas, but unfortunately he had passed through a small accident and that is why he is not able to come here. But he has given his blessings to all the students and all the performers and all the speakers. He has specially sent a message that kindly give these blessings to all of them. So we remember him as a light of source and an inspiration for this whole occasion. He has always been there from the day one to the end of the process. And now can I invite Sri Professor Priya Sutaria to kindly give vote of thanks.
But I have to do this.
Sorry, sir. I have just to make one announcement. All the faculty members of all the colleges, they are requested to collect the certificate from Sri Harendra Pathak from this particular place. Kindly come down and collect the certificates. Because this vote of thanks you can side by side collect.
Respected dignitary on the dais, of the dais, all friends, student participants, all invitees and the gentlemen. It is my great pleasure and proud privilege to convey vote of thanks for today's successful function. Let me thank Divya Seva Trust trustee Sri Pathak Sahib for planning such a needed awareness seminar. This is fully supported by Engineering Seva Trust, the key person Sri Sasibai Shah and his team. For very first day from planning to till today up to the end of the seminar. I also appreciate all local organizing bodies to support not only financially but involving and making this event grand success. Also thanks to all speakers for providing detailed information and application in the field. Thanks to all students and guiding professors of all colleges for preparation of model and presentation, essay writing, preparation of a chart.